How to use the auto numbering icon in the automatic panel. Practicad gives you the ability to create piece numbering automatics that will number your duct from the beginning of the line to the end of the line, or in any other selection criteria you'd like, so that these numbers can be visually put on the drawing and also downloaded to Practicam. There are two ways of utilizing this feature. We can first use the options in the auto number icon in the automatic panel on your ribbon, or we can design automatics and keep them in our bin. Now, Practicad does come with a lot of default automatics for piece numbering, and there are separate videos on how to utilize the default automatics. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the options that the auto numbering icon covers. Of course, everything inside these automatics are the same options as we're going to cover in this tutorial for auto number. We're going to click on the auto number icon, and we're going to take a look at the options we have here. Before you get into the numbering automatic tutorials, you must have watched 3 other tutorials. The selection, condition, and placement tab are identical to the tabs inside auto tagging. And the selection and condition tabs are identical to that of virtually every automatic. Before you go any further with this tutorial, make sure you have watched the How to Use Auto Selection Selection tab full video, How to Use Auto Selection Condition tab full video, and How to Use Auto Tag Placement tab full video. These videos cover all of the options that you would choose for piece numbering. They are identical. The only difference between those automatics and the one we're going to cover is the options we have under the Tag tab. So before we start, we're going to go over the selection criteria we've decided to use for this exercise. We're going to choose Select Fittings, Duct Line Forward. For conditions, we're going to just check all the fittings in the software. We're not going to pick any specific conditions. For placement, we're just going to say to tag the duct. We're not going to pick any size breaks, and we're going to say let's just keep the tag in the center, base point, left to right direction. Everything's going to be in the dead center. Now what we're going to do is go to the tag option, and we're going to cover the different options we have in the software currently.